Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the programming language that Podio uses. But before we get into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Podio is. Podio is a project management and collaboration software platform. It's used by teams of all sizes to manage their projects, tasks, and files. So, what programming language does Podio use? Answer: the programming language that Podio uses is Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails is a web application framework that makes it easy to build dynamic and data-driven websites. It's a popular choice for web development, and it's used by many large companies, including Twitter, GitHub, and Airbnb. Benefits of Ruby on Rails. There are a number of benefits to using Ruby on Rails. One benefit is that it's a very productive language. This means that you can develop applications quickly and easily. Another benefit of Ruby on Rails is that it's a very secure language. This is important because it means that your applications will be less likely to be attacked by hackers. Finally, Ruby on Rails is a very well-supported language. There are many resources available to help you learn and use Ruby on Rails. How Podio uses Ruby on Rails. Podio uses Ruby on Rails to build its web application. This means that Podio is a dynamic and data-driven application that is easy to use and secure. So there you have it. The programming language that Podio uses is Ruby on Rails. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.